heart failure is a major cause of loss of life. Uh, there are some conditions which are not related to heart disease but which can produce significant heart failure, where the heart succumbs because of increased pulmonary artery pressure and right heart failure happens. And if the condition is not treated, only 10% patients will survive 10 years. Now, this happens because of chronic thromboembolic pulmonary embolism, where recurrent blood clots formed in the leg veins cross the circulation, and then they get impacted in the lung vessels, and ultimately lung vessels start getting obstructed because of that. And when the extent of obstruction of lung circulation increases to a great extent, the pulmonary artery pressure, which normally is 18 to 20 millimeters of mercury, can increase to nearly 120 millimeters mercury. That is the pressure of our systemic blood pressure. And when this happens, the right ventricle fails and severe right ventricular failure takes place. There is also associated reduced oxygenation called hypoxia in this condition, and patients, if they are not operated promptly and successfully, they might not survive more than a few years once diagnosis is made. We have been doing this type of surgery called chronic thromboembolic pulmonary and arterectomy since 2010, and we have got our increasing experience of about approaching 50 patients, and I just wanted to mention about this. Thank you.